In this video, we will show the best RAM for gaming available to buy. At number 10. Corsair 16GB Vengeance Desktop Memory. Each Vengeance LPX module is built with a pure aluminium heat spreader for faster heat dissipation and cooler operation. At number 9. HyperX Impact Black 8GB SODIMM internal memory. It is optimized for Intel Series 100 and 200 chipsets. 4GB to 64GB capacities, frequencies up to 2666 MHz. Automatic overclocking for a hassle-free boost. At number 8. Alkatron DDR3 RAM for desktop PC, long working range 33 feet, 10 meters. Plug-and-play USB support with 2.4 GHz wireless speed. Requires 2 AAA battery for mouse and 2 AAA battery for keyboard. At number 7. Crucial 8GB SODIMM RAM. It has faster burst access speeds for improved sequential data throughput. 2400 ms speed and increased bandwidth up to 30%. At number 6. Corsair Vengeance 8GB DDR3 Memory Kit. Vengeance memory supports the Intel XMP Extreme Memory Profile Standard. XMP memory profile for simple, safe overclocking. At number 5. HyperX Fury Black 8GB memory. It is the first product line to offer automatic overclocking up to the highest frequency published. Get the speed you want, hassle-free. At number 4. XPG Flame 1.2V SODIMM RAM memory module. They are equipped with the finest PCBs and pass rigid reliability and compatibility tests to ensure longevity and rugged durability, which are vital for overclocking, gaming, and extreme benchmarking. At number 3. Corsair Vengeance LPX 8GB memory. It is built with a pure aluminium heat spreader for faster heat dissipation and cooler operation. The Vengeance LPX module height is carefully designed to fit smaller spaces. At number 2. Gskill TridentZ ZRG series desktop gaming memory. It is the world's most brilliant RGB memory. 16GB 8GB by 2 dual channel kit. Intel XMP 2.0 Extreme Memory Profile ready. At number 1. HyperX Fury Desktop Memory. It has 8 independent internal banks. 8-bit pre-fetch asynchronous reset. Bi-directional differential data strobe.